Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply energy saving on your Windows 11. So if you feel you need to turn this on your laptop or on your PC, you can try to save energy by click on settings. You can find settings on Windows logo here, and here you can jump into the system and try to search the power. Click it. The first option is energy recommendation. Lower your carbon footprint by applying this recommendation. You can click here. Great start, keep going. Apply energy saving recommendation to lower your carbon footprint. You can apply all for simply activate, and also you can apply one by one, like set the power mode for the best energy efficiency. You can apply. Turn off the screen after 3 minutes. Again, you can apply. And also lower your refresh rate to 60 Hz to conserve energy. Currently I'm used at 75 Hz, and you can apply. Lowering refresh rate will result in a less smooth picture, however. And already turn off my screensaver. I don't need screensaver here, so you can turn off this feature. Feel free to try, save your energy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.